Move over inflatables. This simple yet spooky outdoor Halloween installation. It's larger than life, as you can see, and you won't believe how easy it is to create. Jenna LeBlanc with Jenna Sue Design is joining me to share details of this ghostly transformation. Jenna, I can't wait to talk to you, sister. You totally haunted your home with shadows. Would you say this is one of your favorite projects?
Oh, for sure. You know, I love decorating for the holidays and coming up with different creative displays each year. So when this idea popped into my head, it was just like this light bulb moment, and I knew I had to figure out how to make it work.
It's easy to see the why because it's such a wow, but what shocked me is this project comes with a super short supply list.
Yeah, it's really that simple. So here's one of the yard stakes. And the great thing about this display is that it's easy to do, it doesn't take up that much space, and it's such an inexpensive way to make a big impact.
Can you hold that up again? So it's a yard stake in a ghostly shape. And then what's the second tool or material you need?
Solar spotlights.
Solar spotlights. Any size, or is there any trick to that as we're buying or sourcing?
Yeah, so there's actually only 2 lights that I found that worked. Harbor Freight and Home Depot has them. And so I linked both of those on my blog.
Oh, good. They're linked for us. And talk to me about placement. What do we need to know to make this work?
Yeah, so it depends on your house and how big you want the shadows to be. You kind of just have to play around with the distance and the angle until you're happy with the way that it looks. So I wanted mine on the larger side, so I had to angle my light upwards to get that height.
Okay.
And an easy way to test this out beforehand is with your phone's flashlight.
Oh, just put the flashlight through it and see if that's going to project to scale or to size.
That'll work, yeah.
This might be a silly question, but would it work on any color of house?
Yeah, it will, because the spotlight will illuminate the house, and that'll create enough contrast with the darker shadow.
This is fantastic. And the ghosts, so the yard stake's responsible for the big ghosts. What about the ones in the windows?
So those were just silhouettes that I made out of black craft paper. I just cut them out and then hung them on fabric in the window, and then turned on the light from the inside so it illuminated it. Okay,
you're fantastic. Your house is amazing. What's the feedback? Best house on the block, I'm willing to bet.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
Everyone's loving it. Well, you mentioned you're going to link that specific light for us that will allow us to do this. And I feel so empowered because it is so, fairly simple to pull off. So I love that you're sharing. Where else can we go? Where can we go to find more projects from you?
So everything's on my blog, jennasuedesign.com. I have a lot more fun holiday decor ideas, as well as just DIY projects and tutorials there.
All right. We will meet you there. Thank you so much. Great to meet you through the screen
Thanks,
today.
Brooke. Bye.